Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know our Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages. And I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Summer Discovery program, we have created Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kits. Today, I will be showing you how to use your make-your-own harmonica kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link of our online Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit a local library and pick up a game card. Today, I will show you how to create your own harmonica and learn how wind instruments work. Let's get started. Have you ever seen or played a harmonica before? A harmonica is a musical instrument that uses the air from your mouth to create sounds as it passes through the reeds inside the instrument. This instrument is also a member of the wind family of instruments. You may know some of the other members of the wind family, like the flute, clarinet, and oboe. Did you know that the early form of the harmonica came from China? In the 18th century, the Chinese sheng was introduced to Europe and was later created to be what we know as a harmonica. You can hear this instrument played in many types of music. In America, it is most famously heard in bluegrass and blues style of music. Now that you know a little more about where the harmonica comes from, let's get started with making one of our own. For this project, you'll need 2 jumbled popsicle sticks, a sheet of paper, 2 toothpicks, 2 rubber bands, scissors, and crayons. First, start by coloring the popsicle sticks. Choose any color you'd like. Cut a piece of paper that is the same size as the popsicle stick. To help get the right size, you can trace the popsicle stick with a pencil and cut it out. You can also cut the traced paper slightly smaller than the popsicle stick so they don't hang over the sides. Once you have your popsicle sticks colored, sandwich the paper between the popsicle sticks. Bind the popsicle sticks together by wrapping a rubber band around each end, making sure not to wrap too tightly. Slide 2 toothpicks between the popsicle sticks next to the rubber bands. Have an adult help to cut off any part of the sticks that stick out. Blow through the 2 popsicle sticks just as you would with a harmonica. For an added challenge, try squeezing the popsicle sticks together to see what sounds you can make. What noises do you hear when you squeeze it? If you're interested in more about wind instruments and other instrument families, check out these books at lacountylibrary.org. And if you like to listen to music, download some music with your library card on Freegal Music. We hope you enjoyed this Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at a local library near you or at lacountylibrary.org/summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.